Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from The Organized Option. And if you have been following along with me on my organization journey over these years, you have heard me say combine and conquer. And most of the time when I'm saying combine and conquer, I'm talking about combining your actual craft supplies by theme, holiday, calendar year, color, whatever it is. But I also want to encourage you to combine and conquer by combining some of the organization option products to simplify your organization and make crafting so much more fun, being able to find things so much easier. So today I'm going to show you how I've combined 3 of our products to make sort of the ultimate organization collection of products. So first I used our fancy folio, and this is the 12 by 12 fancy folio. And this is where I've got really sort of generic travel supplies stored, but I've got the gusseted pockets on the sides for bulky things, and then I've got the slash pockets on the front and on the back for flat things, stickers, papers, that type of thing. So I've got generic travel stuff here. And then I used our flip-flap tab divider pockets to categorize France, Japan, Mexico, Las Vegas, the United States. So each of those individual groups of things that I would probably only use alone, right? I'm probably not going to use the Mexico things with the Japan things. They're in their own pocket. They're safe. They're protected. They're combined in a pocket. And now I'm going to be able to combine these pockets inside of my fancy folio, right? And if it's too bulky, I don't necessarily need to put them in there. I can use them on the outside when I combine them with another one of our products. So that might be either our 12 by 12 handle it. So if you like everything open and accessible, easy to get to in your workspace, you might choose the handle it to combine all of those things. Or if you like something with a lid on it, you might decide to take all of those pieces and put them inside your 12 by 12 file master. So either way you want to go, combine and conquer things. Keep things together you use together with our flip-flap pockets, our fancy folios, and either our handle it or our file master. You will love being organized.